Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel and I love to create. If you are new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back guys. So today's video is going to be about this look I have on. So I decided to go blonde and I'm pretty excited about it. I don't know, because I've never really had like colored hair on myself. So I've had like purple, but not something this shouty, and I just decided to, I don't know, just change up, and I'm loving it. Like, I'm feeling myself. So another reason why I am really excited is because, should I break the news? We hit 100 subscribers, guys. 100 subscribers. I am so excited about it. Thank you so much guys. Without you, this would not have been possible. A big shout out to all of you that have subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing, for supporting me. I love you guys. Thank you so much. And this is like the best news I've had this month. I think this month is going to be really great for me. What do you guys think? Coupled with the fact that my birthday comes up this month. Shout out to all April borns. Thank you so much guys for subscribing to my channel. This could not have been possible without you guys. Thank you so much. If you've not subscribed, please join the family and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up, share the video with your friends and your family. Thank you so much guys, and let's get right to the tutorial.
Hey guys, so I'm just going to apply my virgin hair fertilizer to my cornrows. It is one of the products I normally use for my hair. If you've not seen my natural hair products video, please be sure to check it out. I'm going to leave a link to it in the description box. I'm also going to leave a card above for you to check it out. So I'm just going to apply it in between my cornrows. I'm going to tuck in the tail of my cornrow into my hair using the crochet pin. So this is the crochet hair I'll be using. It's handmade box braid and it is in the color 27. This is how it looks like. So the first thing I'm going to do is open the crochet hook, put it in between my hair, then attach the box braid to the hook, lock the hook, then pull it out. Then I'll take the tail and pull the tail through the loop of the box braid. That's all guys, that's how it works. So just keep doing that until we cover the whole of the hair. Going to explain again. Take the crochet hook, put it in between the hair, attach the box braid to the hook, pull it through, then take the tail, then pull the tail through the loop. That's how it works guys.
Here we go.
make sure you like, share, and subscribe. The subscribe button is somewhere down here. Please subscribe to my channel. Subscription is absolutely free, guys. It is absolutely free. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section and I will be glad to answer them. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Peace.